Restoring gut health with science. If you've spent years eating processed foods, fried snacks, or sugary treats, your gut health may be paying the price. The symptoms, bloating, brain fog, low energy, poor sleep, even mood swings, are often not just signs of aging. They can be the result of chronic inflammation, disrupted gut bacteria, and toxin buildup caused by decades of poor nutrition. When we eat heavily processed foods loaded with seed oils, additives, and refined sugar, they don't just add extra weight, they irritate the gut lining, slow down digestion, and create an environment where harmful bacteria thrive. Over time, this weakens your body's ability to absorb nutrients, leaving you feeling tired and unwell. So how can you restore balance? Science points us toward natural remedies rich in fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. One of the most powerful is Moringa oleifera, a nutrient-dense plant traditionally used in Africa and Asia for centuries. Moringa supports gut health in several ways. Its high fiber helps cleanse the digestive tract and promote regularity. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties soothe the gut lining. Its antioxidants and phytonutrients support healthy gut bacteria, helping reduce toxin buildup. When incorporated daily, such as adding moringa powder to smoothies or teas, many people report improved digestion, better energy, and reduced bloating within weeks. The takeaway? Gut health isn't about quick detoxes or fad cleanses. It's about nourishing your body with science-backed, natural foods that support long-term balance. And moringa is one of the simplest, most effective ways to start.